Hey guys, so if having trouble keeping your balance is something you're experiencing after your stroke, or if you've noticed yourself, kind of always leaning towards that weak side, or even if you're just like you feel like you're just a little unsteady, just know that this is something that happens a lot after a stroke. And it can leave a lot of people feeling uneasy about, just getting around in your day to day life, almost like you can't quite trust yourself anymore, or like your body it just doesn't cooperate and move the way you want it to. All of this is just because after a stroke, your brain's ability to detect where your body is in space can be affected. So, in addition to your balance being affected by like weakness in your legs, in your core and abdominal, and in your back muscles, your sensory nerves, we have sensory nerves throughout our body, mostly in our joints, whose only job is to detect or kind of sense where your arms and legs are and where your body is in space. So when there's an issue here, this can also play a huge role in some of the balance changes you might be experiencing after your stroke. So please know you are not alone if this is where you are right now. And there is actually a lot you can start doing today to start helping your balance improve over time. So, when you're in the bed, start doing what we call glute bridges every day, multiple times a day, to strengthen those key leg and core muscles that are essential for standing and for balance. Excuse me, when sitting at the edge of the bed, specifically, or like unsupported in a chair, place a mirror in front of you so you can see your body position. And then first work on maintaining your balance, just sitting what we call statically, so sitting still without reaching and moving. And then once you're able to safely hold your balance sitting still and centered at the midline, next you can start incorporating some more dynamic and active movement, like while reaching to the side, above you and or below you, reaching for a specific target for someone's hand, or practicing like volleying a balloon back and forth, or just moving and placing lightweight items from one area to the next while challenging your balance safely and with assistance if you need it, okay? And then if you're able to stand safely with or without physical assistance, or a walker or a rollator in front of you, put a chair behind you or have like the bed behind you. And again, have a mirror in front of you so you can kind of get that visual feedback. And then just start just how we started with sitting balance. First, work on maintaining your standing balance statically, meaning without moving a lot, without reaching for anything. Once you can do that, then from there you can progress, until you're able to safely begin slowly moving and reaching, for a target, or doing the balloon volley, or even just moving small items, from one side to the other. Okay, all while keeping your balance. That's essential, and doing it safely. Okay. So if you're not currently working on balance as, part of your daily recovery routine at home, give some of these extras, these balance exercises a try. Just remember, I say this a lot, always keep your movements slow and controlled, and always get support and assistance for safety if you need it. Okay. And if you have any questions at all, if you need more suggestions, or if you have some really cool balance exercises that you're already doing that you feel like are helping your balance, please leave a comment. Let me know. And I think a while back I did do a standing balance video and a sitting edge of bed weight bearing video, working on some balance too. So check those out if that's something that you're looking for. And then again, just let me know if you have any questions. All right. I got to run before I sweat through these scrubs. But as always, I hope this was helpful, and I will see y'all next time.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.